The global shift toward low-carbon energy is often described as a sudden transformation, but in reality, it is a gradual engineering transition that must keep electricity reliable while new fuels scale up. That challenge is where new modular power plants introduced by Rolls-Royce Holdings are positioned, not as futuristic replacements, but as infrastructure designed to operate today while preparing for tomorrow's hydrogen economy. These installations are stationary electricity generation systems built using gas engines that can run on conventional fuels now, yet are engineered so they can later be converted to operate on hydrogen or hydrogen blends as supply networks develop. This concept is known as hydrogen-ready design, meaning the equipment is constructed with materials, combustion characteristics, and control systems capable of adapting to a different fuel without replacing the entire plant. The systems are modular, assembled from standardized blocks that can deliver from a few megawatts to much larger capacities depending on how many units are installed. Instead of building one massive centralized station, operators can scale generation incrementally to match demand. This modularity matters because renewable energy sources, such as wind and solar, do not produce constant output. Their variability requires flexible backup generation that can start quickly, adjust output, and stabilize the grid when weather conditions change. According to reporting from Interesting Engineering, these plants are intended to bridge gaps that can last from hours to extended periods, ensuring electricity supply while renewable infrastructure expands and hydrogen production becomes commercially viable. From an engineering standpoint, the challenge is not only generating power, but doing so with systems that will not become obsolete as decarbonization policies evolve. Hydrogen-capable conversion allows utilities to invest in capacity now without locking themselves into long-term fossil fuel dependence. This approach reflects a broader transformation in how energy systems are designed, moving away from single large plants toward distributed networks of smaller, responsive generators integrated with storage and renewables. It is important to note that these facilities are not running entirely on hydrogen yet. Large-scale hydrogen production, transport, and storage infrastructure is still under development globally. The value of hydrogen-ready equipment lies in enabling that transition once supply becomes available. In effect, these plants function as transitional assets, supporting current grid reliability while creating a pathway toward lower carbon fuels, rather than forcing an abrupt technological shift. Energy transitions are rarely defined by one breakthrough. They depend on adaptable systems that allow societies to change fuels without compromising stability. And developments like this illustrate how engineering often works quietly in the background, designing compatibility for a future that has not fully arrived yet. If you want to stay updated on the technologies shaping energy infrastructure, industrial transformation, and the systems enabling the move toward cleaner power, stay with Dezhn, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps us explore progress with clarity and innovation without noise.